My name is Tammy Williams, and I've been taking Ardonia Slim for about 8 weeks now, and I actually love the product. While taking Ardonia Slim, I've noticed that around my hip area, I saw a reduction in cellulite tremendously. And one thing about this cellulite pill is that with me, my right hip was actually bigger than my left hip. So since I started taking the pill, I've actually seen my hips even out more, which is amazing for someone like me because I've always had that main issue with the cellulite mainly on my right hip. So taking this cellulite pill has been amazing because I actually see reduction in cellulite in my hips. It's amazing. With taking this product, I did not work out. All you ladies out there, if you're listening to me, I didn't work out because I don't like working out. So this product was perfect for the person that's constantly on the go, that's constantly on the move. You will see quick, fast results. Before, when I first started taking Ardonia Slim, I was about 173 pounds, and now I'm down to 158 pounds. No workout. Isn't that awesome? I would highly recommend this product to all of my friends and to all of those women out there in the world that's searching for a product that will get rid of the cellulite. I'm the perfect example.